So the items you're gonna need is, if you're doing a flavor, you need your flavorings. This is the white mocha and the mocha. This is chai, that's for a tea, that's something else. And then an espresso machine. Some people pour espresso shots where they like ground them, but we do it ourselves. It gets it ourselves. So instead of having to pack it, you just press a button like that, or decaf. And this machine has the blonde espresso that you've seen advertised. And then you need a steam wand so you can steam the milk. I'll show you how to make a latte. First, you want to grab your cup and pour the milk to the appropriate line. Since we're doing a small, we're going to pour it to that line. And then you cue your shots. So small gets one shot. Steam the milk. You want to hear that tearing paper sound. And if you want a flavored latte, before you pour your shots, you would put the syrup in there. Then once the milk's done steaming, you tap it to get rid of the bubbles and swish it around so it's like a pretty white gloss. And you wipe off your steam wand, and then you pour it. It's really foamy. To make a white mocha, you do the same as a latte or a mocha, but you add the mocha sauce. So I'm gonna make a white mocha. So you do 3 pumps. Cue your shot. Pour your milk. And steam it for 3 seconds, hearing that paper sound. And then you let it sit. And the only difference between a white mocha and a latte, or a mocha and a latte, is that it gets the mocha syrup and it has whipped cream on the top. Get rid of the bubbles in the milk. Wash your steam off. And you don't want to fill it all the way up because you want to leave room for whipped cream. So for a flat white, we're going to use whole milk. And then you want to do ristretto shots because it pours faster. First, steam your milk. And ristrettos can only come in 2.
What can I get for you? Small order for Sarah. Okay.
And then you want to pour it the width of a pencil. Then at the top it gets that white dot. It's a good dot.